đâu còn gì nữa không? Dầu.
Hi there, do you know how to cook Korean noodle soup? Let's watch this whole video and you will get it.
My aunt is cooking the soup. Ingredients to make soup: we have onions, dried shrimps, pork tubular bones, and pork skins. Of course, pork skin is just optional. Honestly, I'm sick of onion. Keeping stewing and skimming the scum of the soup to make it clear. This is feather back fish paste. Add some chopped garlic, MSG, salt, sugar, black pepper, fish sauce, and cooking oil. Then knead the mixture well.
I'm frying some sliced purple onions.
Add 2 teaspoons of salt, a tablespoon of MSG, and some sugar. What's this dish exactly?
You can call it string cake. The mixtures include pork paste, grinded shrimp, black pepper powder, and some seasoning. Then we blend and knead. And you can add some pork paste balls, it's just optional. The fat back fish paste is well done. I'm tired of pork skins.